Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been some time, but I've just been working tons of things. You can probably see them boxes over there in the corner. I've been like reselling, doing all types of stuff like buying, reselling. So I'll probably do a video on that at some time. Because I've just been, because crypto's been doing crypto things and I've been doing amazing. I've been trying different techniques and different things. I've also been learning how to do drop shipping, all that type of stuff. But anyway, let's get into this video because we're talking about crypto here. We're talking about Equinox. If you remember that project, the last video we talked about, you can watch it up here if you want to. We talked about all kinds of different things and how I'm going to be making different type of videos on this project. Yes, it is also a sponsored video, just to let you guys know, but we're going to be making multiple videos across the Aequinox ecosystem because they've got tons of different things and things that the Binance Smart Chain have never ever seen before as well. Could be wrong with that, but I've never seen it myself, and the project also claims that it's never happened before. So make sure you do research on that. If you guys remember in my last video, we talked about the AEQ staker. It is finally released and you can see it on my screen here. You've got different type of places where you can put your tokens in, which is great because with AEQ, which is the token, you no longer have to just dump it or sell it to take profit. You can now use the AEQ, put it somewhere else and make an additional passive income revenue on somewhere else. And so far, some of the gains on some of these different places you can stake are absolutely insane. So let's look at the Alato, I think that's how you pronounce that. You've got a 2.8% daily, which is a bit insane. You've got A share, which is also giving you 2.17%, which is insane, and that's daily. You've got the WBNB pair, which is giving you a nice 0.3% daily, which I would say is most likely the most sustainable one out of all of these here. You've got the L share, which is giving you basically a 3% daily return, and another one close to 3% return daily as well. So obviously, if you wanted, let's say if you had $1,000, you might be able to put 250 in each of the high ones if you wanted to. Get in there, get quick gains, and then get back out, and then maybe put them back into the BNB one, which is a lower return, but it's a lot safer. The lower the APR, the more sustainable it is, and so on. So just keep that in mind as well. But these guys have methods of keeping all these pools running. So with the Alato and the A-Share one, that is the Aequinox. That's their ecosystem. That's their other tokens as well. So you'll be earning their tokens, and you can use them on other projects they've got. So, and then with the L-Share and the Bandit pools that you can stake your tokens in, they are partnered, well, not exactly partners, but they have paid money up front, and they will also be getting paid over time. So every time there's fees on it, Aequinox will get a cut of that, and Aequinox can use that fees for their ecosystem. So basically bringing money into the project. So make sure to do your research on them projects individually, because obviously the Aequinox team are not associated with them. They have just taken them in for revenue and for money. So you need to make sure you do your own due diligence for that. Just gonna stop you guys there for 1 second. If you are enjoying today's fast video, make sure to leave a like and a subscribe if you want to see more type of content like this on similar projects. There is a juicy perk if you are a AEQ staker. You can also go to the pools and use their beautiful Technicolor pool. So guys, we talked about all the pools in the last video, so make sure to check that if you're wondering what pools are and stuff. But you can come here and you can literally get into their entire ecosystem within this one pool. So you can see you've got the AEQ token, you've got the Alato token, you've got a stable coin of USDC, which is brilliant. You've got AIMS and you've got A-Share. Because this pool is brand new, there's not much people putting money into it right now, so you can see it's got a decent APR of 160% right now. The pool value is only $60,000, which is very small for what their ecosystem is, because they are pools which are worth millions. Got a 24-hour volume of 10k there, and the fees over the last day is about $100 as well. So yeah, same way we did last time in the last video, guys. You connect your wallet and you put your BNB in. Make sure you've got AEQ as well, and then it'll distribute all of them funds between all of these tokens, and you have created your beautiful Technicolor pool. So think of this pool as an index fund for their entire ecosystem. You know, the Alato, the AIMS, the AEQ. It's a pool for all of it. So think of an index fund. It's a crypto, it's a crypto index fund. It's an ETF type of thing. That's what it kind of is. That's what they want. So essentially, you're getting into all of their ecosystem, and it's a good idea. Means you've got some place to put your profits into in a diversified area within their entire ecosystem. And this is what they claim to be their first of its kind. I've actually not personally seen a ecosystem where they've produced all of their tokens into one place, into one pool, plus the stable coin to make it a bit more safer for your money, bringing in good returns. So the goal of this is, so rather than taking your money elsewhere and reinvesting it into maybe a different ecosystem, which may be a scam. Obviously this project's been around for months now. Doesn't guarantee it's not a scam, but do your due diligence. It's been around for a while. So it's, you know, guaranteed success within their past projects. You know, you might make some money from AEQ rather than just dumping that and taking it elsewhere. You can dump it into this beautiful Technicolor pool and continue making passive income within their own ecosystem, which is brilliant. It's a good idea. So yeah, guys, that's all I wanted to talk to you about, is about the staker is out and how you can participate in it, as well as their new pool, the beautiful Technicolor. It's still very, very early. You've got a decent APR right now. Guys, do your research, check it out, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Peace.